One stock in our portfolio universe gained 57%, but global trade tensions are making investors nervous. Here is what happened this week. Kalyan Jewellers India Limited up 57%, Cyient DLM Limited up 42%, Ganesha Ecosphere Limited up 32% in the Tata Small Cap Fund, and Menon Bearings Limited up 27%. While these stocks delivered strong gains, the broader market had a weak week. The BSE 500 ended at 35,829, down 0.3%. Investor sentiment remained cautious amid rising global uncertainty. Now, here is what markets are closely watching. Uncertainty around the India US trade deal has intensified ahead of the tariff deadline. At the same time, the US imposed a 10% forced labor tariff on India, putting pressure on export oriented sectors. Industries like IT, pharmaceuticals, auto components, textiles, and specialty chemicals could remain sensitive depending on how trade negotiations unfold. There was one more factor weighing on markets. Foreign institutional investors continued selling Indian equities. Higher US bond yields and global trade uncertainty pushed capital towards developed markets, leading to persistent FII outflows. These outflows have increased market volatility, particularly in large cap sectors like financials and IT. This week reminds us that markets don't just react to company performance, they also respond to global policy decisions. Trade negotiations, foreign investor flows, and global interest rates can all shape market direction. Long term investors stay focused not just on today's headlines, but on the bigger picture. Comment value for more insights.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.